Welcome to the Dotstore. In this video guide, I will show you how to add a handling fee to the WooCommerce checkout by state. Let's dive straight into it. After installing and activating the plugin, go to the Manage Fee page and click the Add New button to create a new fee rule. I have already created one handling fee, so let's edit this fee rule. Now, here you can configure your fee settings. Enter the fee title, then select the fee type as either fixed or percentage. Here, we have selected fixed, and you can enter the fee amount, such as 12. You can also configure other advanced settings based on your requirements. Now, inside the conditional fee rules section, you can select a country-specific rule within location-specific conditions. Choose the country you want, for example, the United States. Then, select the specific state where you want to apply this fee rule. Select a state, such as Alabama and California, and then click on the Update Fee button. The fee has been saved. Now, let's go to the front end and see this in action. Now, let's add some products to the cart from this shop page. For example, here I am adding this product to the cart. Now, let's view the cart page, and you will see the handling fee applied because the United States and California are selected. Change it to another state, such as Arizona, and then click on the Update button. Now, the handling fee will be removed. Now, let's select state as Alabama, and click on the Update button again. So, you can see that handling fee is applied again. Click on the Proceed to Checkout button to place an order. Here you can fill in all the required billing details, and then click on the Place Order button to create an order with this product. On the Order Confirmation Thank You page, you will see the handling fee with the configured amount for the selected state, such as Alabama. For premium plugin and unparalleled support, visit the Dotstore.com. To test the plugin, click the link below given in the description. Thank you for watching.